This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
We have an iMac. We're going to be upgrading the RAM. Right now it has 4 gigs of RAM. We're going to go to 8. So we have this Duo Mikey RAM cards. And these cost us about $36. There's 2 of them. They're each 4 gigs of RAM. So you put 2 of these in your iMac. That'll get you to 8 gigs. And that can help you to upgrade to more modern operating systems. Like this is going to go from Leopard to Snow Leopard and then to Yosemite. So we're going to go over how to do that. So you want to unplug it first and then we'll go over the next step. So this is a 20.5 inch screen and it has a little Phillips head screw that we remove right here, and we can get this speaker grill port off so we can get to the RAM. Okay, so we have that out. Nice tight fit for the speaker grill. Got the Phillips head screw loosened. And I'm just grabbing it on the edge. There we go. If you have a little can of canned air, might be a good time to clean out some of this too. So there's our little RAM cards right in there. And this will help us to... So we pulled out the plug, just make sure it's unplugged. And we're just going to grab these and pull them toward us to cause this to let go of the RAM. Okay, so we're going to put in the new one. We just want to match what the old one was like. There we go. So this is a 2 gigabyte from before. Here's a 4 gigabyte. 2 off to the side. Just push it in there firmly. Okay, there's the other one. We're going to match it up. Push that in. Just good contact. It locks. Looks good. That one's locked in. So I'm just pushing it in and making sure it can't go any further. Those are pegged out. I'm going to kind of fold this film back in that's used to help remove it. Fold this one back in underneath, and then I'm going to put this speaker cover back in. This one's held in by 1 Phillips head screw. There we go. Just tighten those up. Ready to test. So with the new RAM, it should be able to handle twice as much rapid access memory, so you can do more tasks at the same time. So if your computer was going slow, it should help. And also, it can allow you to put in a more updated operating system. So I just turned it back on, and we'll just make sure everything's running good.